to our project. So in this project, we have built a multilingual faceted search system, which includes a front end that allows users to search and browse multilingual data. Our data is multilingual social media text from Twitter, which is in 5 languages: English, French, German, Russian, and Arabic. Topics on which our data is collected are like Paris attacks, Syrian refugee crisis, to name a few. The project components which we have included are content tagging, faceted search, cross document analytics, sentiment analysis, and summarization. Also, for each language, we have included a language translation to convert the query search for all the 5 languages. Also, we have implemented features like pagination to simulate like a real world web search engine. So let's dive down into our application. Let's say we query for any random word. Let's say we query for Syria and we click on search. Then with a little bit of animation, we go down to our home page. The home page, as you can see, displays many things. First, let me brief you about the front end. In the front end, we have built a project using Bootstrap framework, which uses HTML5, CSS3 elements, and we have scripted using jQuery. Also, we have used a couple of jQuery plugins to enhance the working of our project. From the design perspective, our user interface is minimalistic and uses colors complementing to the eye. Our application is responsive and adapts to any desktop or mobile devices easily. Also, it supports all the latest browsers. We have tried to make our multilingual IR system to be less cluttered and updating the pages after the query has been entered. So as you can see on the left hand side, we have our concepts. In the concept tagging, we have used Alchemy API to get the concepts with respect to each tweet. So we have used the concepts as a form of faceted search. In faceted search, we are using 3 fields, which are hashtag, concept tags, and languages, and we choose the top 6 of them to display to the user along with their account. So each time the user clicks on any faceted search, on any faceted field, we update the relevant tweets according to it in our tweet section. In the tweet section, as you can see, we have the tweet text along with the user who has displayed it, as well as the date and time when it was written. We have also displayed the corresponding hashtags that were used in the tweets, and they are highlighted. Since we display only 10 tweets per page, so since we have a huge data set of about 10,000 tweets, we are displaying all the pages. Also, in our application, we have implemented summarization as briefed before. So each time the user searches for a query, a small summary about the query is retrieved from the Wikipedia text and shown to the user. This connects the user with information even before the user clicks on the results. As you can see, the summary is displayed on the top of the page. Another feature of our application is sentiment analysis. In the sentiment analysis, we have utilized a huge collection of social media text to generate some interesting analytics. Users are often interested in knowing how much positive or negative is being talked about a particular topic. This is symbolically represented on the UI with a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and the general feeling about the topic among the people. We are also displaying a score corresponding to the query, which shows a relative score, a normalized score. But we can use these applications in the time of elections or other things when popularity of a candidate can be found out through social media text. So that is a brief summary about our project. We want to do many things in the future. So thank you for your time.